how to delete saved passwords in Facebook. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete saved password in Facebook. To delete saved password in Facebook, first of all, you will need to open your Facebook application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, here at the top right, you will find profile icon with 3 horizontal bars. Tap on this icon and now you will reach to this section. Here you will need to scroll down and tap on the settings and privacy option. Once doing that, again you will need to tap on this settings option. Now you will be taken to the settings and privacy section. Here tap on the see more in account center option. Once doing that, you will be taken to the account center. Here you need to scroll down a bit and under account settings, tap on this password and security. After doing that, you need to tap on this saved login under this upper section. Once you reach to this page, here you will need to select the account for which you would want to see saved login info. Tap on Facebook account. And soon after doing that, you will be taken to the browser and then there you will find the devices or browser that you have your Facebook password saved. Now to remove it, you just simply have to tap on this remove saved login info from the particular device, and once doing that, it will take some time and then you can see the login info or your password has been successfully removed from that particular device. So by following the steps, you should be able to delete saved passwords in Facebook. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.